Hey, it's Boiler Williams. I wanted to tell you about something that's going on. It's been going on for a long time. It's kind of scary. So when you're dealing with debt collectors and credit repair issues and those type of things, there's one thing I really want you to keep in mind in all your letters that you send out. So let's talk about that. Let's talk about one of the biggest scams that you're going to find when you're dealing with credit repair and debt collectors. You're going to find that there's a lot of fake signatures out there. So one thing I would caution you about is who you send your signature to. Now, the big three credit reporting agencies, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, I don't usually have that big a problem signing letters to them because I hate to say it, but I kind of trust them and I think they're legit, and they don't make money off of screwing me directly. So anyhow, I don't mind sending those out to original creditors. Say I had a Sears card. I try not to send Sears my signature anymore. I mean, I probably signed up for a card or something, whatever started this ball rolling. I probably signed up. They probably have my signature somewhere, but going forward, I try not to send anybody that is a furnisher of credit information my signature. The one person that I do not send my signature to is debt collectors. Debt collectors have been shown to cut and paste. They'll scan the letter that you send them, they'll cut out your signature, and they'll paste it on other documents. These documents could be letters that they are going to claim are from you. They put them on affidavits. That's incredibly illegal, but nobody ever holds them to it. In 2016, Carly Patterson in Michigan was fighting Midland Funding, my friend's Midland Funding, in court, and Midland filed fake affidavits with fake signatures and a fake notary. So you can look that case up if you want to read about it, but I'm telling you, this stuff happens all the time. Be careful who you send your signature to. Don't send it to any collector. They don't need your signature. And also, don't send your signature out, but any signature that's presented to you or that's presented in a court case that you might be in or what have you, look at it critically. Is that really a signature from somebody? If you had a credit card at Sears and you have a sworn affidavit by Fred Smith from Sears that's a vice president of whatever, go and verify that. I mean, you can go to LinkedIn and look the guy up, right? Does Fred Smith from Sears exist? You can call and call the corporate headquarters or whatever and verify this or that. There's ways to look for people and just see if it's real. Also, notaries, look them up, make sure that everything that's notarized is legit, make sure that notary is legit, and also make sure that their notary license was valid. It hasn't expired. Sometimes they'll expire and then they'll still be doing documents, and that's not valid. So very skeptical of signatures. Be very careful where you sign. Also, if you're having trouble with debt collectors and you want to hear more things like this, my book is free. You can go to hitmancredit.com and download it for free. And it's about 100 pages, so it'll take you 3 or 4 hours to go through, but it'll teach you everything you need to know to do credit repair, and it'll teach you a lot about fighting debt collectors. Thanks.